Hi, Stephen Little at Claro Pools. Today we're going to be talking about swimming pool automation, right? Everybody carries a smartphone. Many people have a smartwatch. But now how about a smart pool? So let's talk about swimming pool automation, how it makes your pool smarter, and how smarter gets to sustainable and more efficient. Swimming pool automation is broadly categorized as circuit boards, panels, switches, relays, a load center, a bus bar, high voltage wiring, low voltage wiring, a lot of things you may not understand. But it really is the nerve center for your swimming pool. It receives all of the electricity in and distributes the electricity out to the network of the swimming pool, which is heaters, pumps, filters, lights, etc. So swimming pool automation is the wave of the future. If your pool's not automated, you should consider it. Why? Because we can take advantage of energy savings and schedules and use those computers and those types of pieces of hardware to ensure we're not running our pumps during peak hours, to ensure we're not heating past a set point that is comfortable for our families and our swimmers. So automation really can help make your pool more efficient by taking the smart functions in automation, putting it on your phone, and allowing you to take your phone and control all of your pool systems and subsystems right on your phone. Smart decisions will lead you to smart automation. And Jandy Pool, or Fluidra, is our automation partner of the week. So automation by Fluidra, we've installed about 10 or 12 units this week. Automation by Fluidra is the way to go.